How to submit a semester request. This video is for students who have been approved for accommodations, signed their accommodation letter, and would like to use one or more of their approved accommodations in one or more courses for the current or upcoming semester. This process also informs your professors of what your accommodations are. For students who have used accommodations at Lewis and Clark in the past and are new to the Accommodate system, this semester request process is essentially the same thing as the Send Your Accommodation Letter process from our old system, but there are some important updates to the process, so please watch this video carefully. Also, if you have been approved for a note-taking accommodation, you'll also want to watch this video carefully. The process for requesting note-taking assistance is now embedded within the semester request process. Sound confusing? No worries, I'll walk you through it. To make a semester request, log into your Accommodate account. On the left-hand side of the screen, select Accommodation, then Semester Request. If you don't see the Semester Request option, then you don't have approved accommodations for the semester. You'll see a list of all of the accommodations that you're currently approved for and are eligible to use this semester. Select the current or upcoming semester. A list of your courses will populate along with the option to either submit for all accommodations or review the renewal. Selecting Submit for all accommodations means that you would like all of your professors in all of your classes to be informed about all of your academic accommodations. If you have a note-taking accommodation, this also means that you are requesting note-taking assistance in all of your classes. Please consider carefully whether you would like to request note-taking assistance or other accommodations in each class. You can always come back to this page and request the use of additional approved accommodations at a later time. Selecting Review the Renewal allows you to review each of your approved accommodations and select which courses you would like to use them in. If there are any courses that you don't want to use an accommodation in, you can deselect them. If you change your mind, you can always reselect them. When you're done, hit Submit to send your semester request. OSA will review the request and send an official accommodation letter to your faculty. You'll receive a copy of this letter as well, which you can view in your account by selecting Accommodation, then Accommodation Letters, then Notice of Academic Accommodations. You'll be able to tell whether it's the current accommodation letter for the current semester by the date. You can also print or download a PDF of the letter.